Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, our today hashtag word is beautiful. What is the hashtag word? Beautiful. So wish you all a very beautiful morning kids. So kids, today we are going to do maths exercise which is complete the missing number on the clock. So for this kindly take out your maths book, okay, and open your page number 13, okay. So here one big clock you will see. So take out your pencil, sharpen your pencil and do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top, okay. So kids, before starting with our maths exercise, let's see one clock. As you have already seen clock at your home, but firstly we will see clock with the help of this tool. Okay kids, so as you can see here numbers are there. So we will revise what all numbers are these. Which is this number? Yes, this is 1. This is 1. What comes after 1 kids? After 1, 2 is the next number. After 1, 2 is the next number. After 2, which is this number? Yes, you all are right. This is 3. This is 3. What comes after 3? After 3, this is 4. This is 4. Now tell me, what will come after 4? What is this? Yes, this is 5. This is 5. Now, what is the next number? This is 6. This is 6. After 6, next number is 7. Next number is 7. After 7, 2 circles together makes it 8. This is 8. After 8, which is the next number? Think. Yes, you are right. The next number is 9. The next number is 9. What comes after 9? This is 2-digit number. Tell me fast. Yes, this is 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Very good kids. What comes after 1, 0, 10? Yes, after 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. After 1, 1, 11, which is this number? This is 1, 2, 12. 1 and 2 together makes it 1, 2, 12. Very good kids. So you have seen the whole clock, what all numbers will come on the clock. So now we will move on with our maths exercise. Okay. So on page number 13 of your maths book, you can see there is a big clock. Okay. And there are some circles in that clock. In that clock, some circles are filled with numbers and some circles are blank. So we have to see which number will come in these blank circles. Okay kids? So let's see. Here I have told you with the help of the tool, the first number was, which number was the first number? Yes, the first number was 1. The first number was 1. So we will write 1 over here in the first circle. We'll make a standing line. Write very beautifully. Your numbers should not go out of the circles. Very good kids. Now tell me which number will come after 1? Yes, after 1 the second number is 2. After 1 second number is 2. So should I write 2 over here? Okay? Yes. Here I will write 2. We will make a 2 like this. Very good, kids. Now, as you can see, in the next circle, 3 is already written. In the next circle, 3 is already written. So, let's jump on the next circle. So, think what comes after 3? After 3, the next number will be 4. After 3, 4 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we will write 4 over here. Slanting line, sleeping line and one standing line. This way you have to write 4 over here. Very nice. Come on the next circle. Now tell me what comes after 4? After 4, the next number will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write 5 over here. Okay, kids? Write neatly, beautifully, like this. You have to write 5. Your number should not spill out of the circles. Okay? Now, let's see the next circle. But in the next circle, 6 is already written. In the next circle, 6 is already there. So, we'll come on the next circle. Now tell me, what will come after 6? What will come after 6? Think. Yes, you are right. After 6, the next number is 7. Next number is 7. So, we will write 7 over here. Sleeping line and one standing line. So, this will make a 7. Okay, kids? Very nice. Let's see the next circle. Okay. So, after 7, let's think which number will we write over here. We will write 8. 2 circles together make a 8. So, we will write 8 over here. Okay. 2 circles together makes it 8. So, after 8, let's see the next circle. But again in the next circle, number is already there. Which number is there? 9. After 8, 9 is already there. So kids, now tell me what will come after 9? Tell me 2-digit number. As I told you, yes, it is 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. So we will write 1, 0, 10 over here. Very good. So, after 1, 0, 10, which number will come? Think. Yes, you are right. After 1, 0, 10, we will write 1, 1, 11. What we will write? We will write 1, 1, 11. So, one standing line. Again one standing line. This will make a 1, 1, 11. Very nice. Let's jump on the next circle. What is there in the next circle? One number is there. Can you please tell me which is this number? Yes, this is 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Very nice. So kids, as you can see, now all the circles are filled. So you also have to fill all the circles the way I have filled over here. Okay, in your maths book. Okay, on page number 13. On page number 13 of your maths book, you have to complete the whole clock. You have to write all the missing numbers very beautifully. Your number should not spill out of the circle. Okay, kids? And also you have to complete your page number 14. You have to complete your page number 14 also. In this, the question is color the correct number of object. Okay, what you have to do, as 4 is written over here, so you have to color only the 4 strawberries. As 5 is written over here, so you have to color 5 capsicums. So this way you have to complete your page number 14 also of your maths book. So kids, I hope you have enjoyed Have a nice day.